Feeling great. It's
Yep.
only after a few hours operation.
Yep, 3 hours.
Absolute
Yep.
Zero pain. Got dressed, 100% fine. So to everybody out there that need this operation doing, 100% recommend it. It's superb.
Right. Can you take a few steps for us to show how well you're walking right now?
No problem. And if I turn around, and
Okay.
you can walk. No problem.
Okay.
And you can stretch.
Okay.
And everything's good.
All right. Do you have any pain down your legs at all?
Nothing.
Nothing?
I mean, absolute zero.
Okay. Very good. Right. And how do you feel about your posture right now?
My posture's straightened up. I think it has. I can't see myself, but I feel like I'm standing taller. And no pain in my hips, my legs, no fizzing, no tinglings. It's like, yeah.
If you just turn around to your side, let's see how you stand up. Yep, okay, nice and straight. Okay, brilliant. Okay, all right. That's fine. Okay, all right.